There we go.
Jada. Good, Millie.
Come on, Millie, win it. Win it, win it.
Come on, Chelsea.
Come on, Jada.
Get it up. Jada, get it up. Chelsea, go.
Go, go, go.
Get it up. Go, Chelsea.
Good, good. Look at
Cross
Kolbie.
Good,
Cross.
Millie, Millie, Millie.
Middle, middle, middle.
Go.
Yeah, come on,
Good
Kolbie, right there.
Now go. Go.
Come on, Kolbie, there it is. Come on, Kolbie.
Doesn't matter. Kolbie didn't pass it. Kolbie didn't pass it.
And they didn't make a play for it.
One-on-one. The defender kind of pulled it right there.
Good, good strike. Good strike.
Yeah, real good. Chelsea, that's the way to cross, too. Good.
Duh.
Clay, man, who's your man, Clay?
Jada.
Good, Millie, good.
She's so
Right
good
there,
on tackles.
I know. Well, it's hard to get through her.
Yeah, she's just so smart.
There you go, come on, Kolbie.
And she does it really good about getting her body low.
You always think she's like kind of slow sometimes, but I
Come on,
mean,
Chelsea.
All right, good, Kolbie,
All right, good job. Chelsea, that's where you need to be. Good.
That's good. Millie.
Turn around,
Millie,
pick up ball.
Nice job, Millie. Kolbie, wide right. Kolbie,
Jada.
Kolbie, mark up.
stay with this.
Clay, you don't need to be on that side.
Millie, pass up a little bit.
Yeah, you don't give her space. She's good.
There you go, come on, Millie.
Good, Jada. Back, Jada. Cover, Jada. Stay with her, Jada. Good.
Stop. All you gotta do is contain him.
Not across your goal. Not across your goal.
You got Millie. You got Millie. All right.
Win it.
Ball in the air. Throw it in, Emma. Emma, throw it in. Go. Win in the air. Down the line. There you go. Keep going, Kolbie.
Doesn't have hands. Pass back.
Yeah.
It's a PK. It's a handball in the box.
Kolbie.
Kolbie.
Kolbie. Jada, go up. Emma, stay back. Jada, go up. Go up. Kolbie, out to Jada. Out to Jada. Run off the field. Let's go. Hustle.
Ball. Win it, Jada, win it.
Jada, throw it in. Jada, throw it in. Okay, mark up, Orange. Come on, Chuck. Mark up. Behind you, Millie, behind you. Millie, behind you. Millie, behind you. Millie, back up. Outside, Emma, outside. All right, go for it. Let's go. Come on. Hey, now you can put it anywhere. Good girl. Come on, Bill. All right, corner, mark up, boys. Let's go.
Good, Emma. Stay front, Emma.
Yeah, come on, Millie, go. Go, Millie, go. Come on. Big kick. There you go. Good. All right, Millie, good job.
Good, Jada. Stay with it. Emma, behind you. Emma.
Jada, take it. Jada. Good. Come on, Chelsea. Chelsea, make a run, Chelsea.
be in the middle.
More of a midfield, like a midfielder. Hey, come here. This game is really important.
Oh my God!
Like I said before, I don't care if it's 2-1 or 1-0.
Yeah, go get it. All right, go kid. That's all right. Let's go. Sub, get the girls. Go.
Hustle, Riley.
Good job, honey. Jada. Hey,
Parker, come here. You gotta get back.
good job. Real smart. Good job.
To watch his foot next time he throws the ball in. Mark out. Stop the ball first, baby. Parker, mark out behind you. Let's go. There you go.
Pay attention, Ry.
Hey, Laura. There's a possession difference.
Are you a pro? You want to keep doing
Well, my arms are tired.
Here, I'll do it for you.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
I'm not very good at it, so
Oh,
it's
no.
probably like.
Are you kidding? It's fine.
I get it.
Oh.
Hey, take it serious. 100% effort.